Oh my word! William, there's a stocking from Santa. There's milk. Look at all these presents.
I can open them.
Wow. Oh, look, William, Santa's written you a letter.
On the fire.
He's written a letter. Shall we read it? Look. Dear William, thank you very much for the mince pie and milk. Rudolph loved the carrots. I hope you like your presents. Be a good boy. Lots of love from Santa. Wait, there's a whole lot of presents in there.
Help me.
What's in there? Oh. Oh, show it to Daddy. Show it to Daddy. Show it to Daddy.